Here we have a 2018 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the black sapphire metallic paintwork. We have the carbon fibre front splitter, the M Performance kit with the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows. We also have the shark fin antennae up top. We have the carbon fibre rear spoiler just there, if the camera can pick it up. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the rear diffuser as well, the twin pipe exhaust. And then back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior. Inside of the back first, you find we have the two seats, the full leather interior, fixed ISO points. We also have the foldable armrest in the centre. We have the same full leather seats at the front, both of which are electrically adjustable, and they're also both heated as well. Driver's side has the memory function. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. There's a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has the lights of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, we have all the different drive modes and much more. There's a look at the climate control. We have the heated seats either side, as you can see, ice cold air conditioning as well. Gear stick just there, the different drive mode buttons, shortcuts as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not on power steer wheel, do keep it in a straight line to go straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We have a multifunction steering wheel paddle shift if we stay in the car to manual mode. We will also use control speed limiter on the left hand side. Auto lights down there with your electric windows over here. We have your screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation, Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, Apple CarPlay. We also have your front and rear parking sensors just there as well. Dual zone climate control with ice cold and aircon, perfect for those hot summer days, and the heat is just there that will warm up very, very quickly. We have two heated front seats, perfect for those cold winter mornings. You have very comfortable seats throughout this vehicle. They are the full coated leather. Both front seats have the extended 5-spot, they are heated, are electrically adjustable, and the driver's seat is also memory. Now you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. It is a very, very comfortable drive. Now being the 435D XDRIVE, it is the bigger diesel engine, so it has got around the 302 horsepower mark, so it is quite a quick car. Coming from 4-wheel drive, it picks up very, very quickly. So right now I'll go to the industrial setting, take right, I'm going to perform a motor stop, pop straight into reverse, just to show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the visual display of the front and rear parking sensors. So just waiting for traffic to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in. So about to pull in now, and I'll do emergency stop from count number 3. So emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Part once the brakes, those M Sport brake calipers do really grip up. Front and rear parking sensors on the dash. Back in drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you've answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk out video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk out video test drive. Hope to see you from you soon. Cheers.